got my link in there, man. Basically, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get this started, man. Thanks, guys, for tuning in, man. I was just sitting up here, you know, I've been getting a lot of messages, man. This new opportunity, man, is crazy, man. I can't even work on my computer and get any work done, man. All the pop-ups, man, everybody's going crazy. Everybody's making sales, man. All these new people are coming on, man. It's crazy, man. Now is the time to get in, man. Well, the title of this video, man, today, man, is you're in myEcon and you don't even know it. Here's the thing, and this message is really for people that are all involved with MCA, okay? I've been getting a lot of messages, you know, asking me whether or not I still, you know, do MCA or not. Well, hey, it's like this at the end of the day. I haven't made a YouTube video about MCA in about 4 months, okay? Because I had gotten to the point where I was thinking about looking for another opportunity anyway, man. You know what I'm saying? I just felt myself personally that the market for MCA is oversaturated, full of what is the words they're using on the news now? Pomp and circumstance, you know what I'm saying? Just craziness, man. And, you know, fortunately, in the process of looking for something new, man, this new opportunity came along, man. The name of this new opportunity is myEcon. Now, there are a lot of people that are in MCA, man, and I don't mean to go on and on about MCA. MCA is a good company. A+ rated, Better Business Bureau rated, okay? You know, company pays every Friday, been around since 1926. They paid me multiple times when I did work with them and I made sales. We have proof of that. My whole team was killing it, you know what I'm saying, doing what we had to do with MCA. But MCA decided within the last 24 hours to change the compensation plan, okay? Basically cutting the advanced commissions by more than half, 52, 53%, maybe something around that, down, basically from $80 commissions down to 35, okay? There were a lot of people eating off of MCA. There are a lot of high rollers, you know what I'm saying? Heavy duty people in network marketing, 6- and 7-figure earners that were eating off of that money and off of that company for many, many years. And it blindsided us all. We all woke up to that same email, those same text messages. Nobody got any kind of special treatment. Even the people at the top were dumbfounded, and some are still sick today. But, you know, here's the thing. Being the type of people that we are, with the entrepreneurial spirits that we have, we're always looking for something. One thing I do believe in at the end of the day, okay, is multiple streams of income. It's just like investing in the market. You never want to put all your eggs in one basket. You want to diversify. One thing might be doing good one day, something else might be suffering, you know what I'm saying? But if you got enough going on, it balances itself out. That's why you always hear the standard say the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. Well, that's probably true. I've worked with high-end people in my last career, okay? In a very niche market in Beverly Hills, in the entertainment industry, frontline execs at Warner Brothers, okay? Deca millionaires, billionaires, sit on boards of everything, got more zeros than you can count, okay? But, you know, at the end of the day, man, myEcon is the new opportunity. It's going crazy right now. If you're in MCA and you are lost, and now you don't know what you're going to do, they're, like I said, top earners are leaving MCA or already have left MCA, because I know on my team, man, we got just about every heavy hitter there is that was even involved with MCA. So here's the thing. Like I said, the title of this video is you're in myEcon and you don't even know it, okay? You don't even know it. Let's get some people on here, man. Drop me a 1, man, if everybody can hear me, you can see me. Let me know where you're from, man. Hit that notification button so you can know the next time I come on. I'm going to get some people on here, man. We're going to invite a little bit more people here, man, because everybody needs to hear this, man, especially the people in MCA. You know, we're getting a lot of crazy messages. People are mad. You can't be mad at us. You have to be mad at the company, okay? The company made the decision to change the game. And like I said, a lot of people were eating off of that, and they changed the game without notice. And rightfully so. People have looked for something else and found something else, and we found it in myEcon. We crunched the numbers, we ran the numbers. The comp plan is outstanding. It's out of this world, actually, man. The money can be made so quickly. We have people making hundreds and even thousands of dollars, okay? We have some people nearing the $20,000 a week mark, okay? Which some people may have reached already. Tomorrow's payday. We don't know. It's going to be a big surprise because nobody ever knows what they're going to get. It's a surprise every time you open your back office, okay? And here's the thing, you're already doing the job, okay? The two companies are nothing alike, okay? They have nothing to do with each other, okay? Two totally different products and services, okay? Now, mind you, myEcon does have a roadside assistance component in it. We don't even promote roadside assistance, okay? We really don't even care anything about the roadside assistance. I actually still have my roadside assistance with MCA. I just don't promote it anymore. I still have the roadside assistance. I just drove across country. I spent 2 weeks down south at home. I just drove 1,700 miles across country through the Great Continental Divide. I had to have something in my pocket, okay? Why would I give it up? You know, I know there have been complaints about the services we have, but overall, at the end of the day, my personal opinion, MCA is a good company. They've never done me wrong. I've never had a problem with them. Anytime I've ever had a question that needed to be answered, they answered it for me. Like I said, they are a Better Business Bureau rated A+, okay? They do have rules and regulations. It's just that they changed some rules that didn't sit well with us and didn't sit well with a lot of top earners that we've gone on, okay? You know, and basically, you know, really at the end of the day, it doesn't serve a purpose anymore. And so we've all moved over to myEcon. myEcon is a personal financial success platform, okay? And what we're helping people do with myEcon is to get their finances in order, to become financially literate, okay? Instead of you paying somebody hundreds or thousands of dollars to fix your finances for you, you can sit down and block out some time because you get the same 24 hours as everybody else and fix your own financial issues, okay? We got credit restoration software and training, okay? Over 22 videos, over 2 hours of training, walking you step by step, hand in hand, helping you to restore your credit and possibly reach a credit score of 750 plus. And you can do that within the next 60 to 90 days, okay? Forms are already presented for you, who to send them to, you know what I'm saying, what to say, already done for you. All you have to do is watch the video training, okay? Inside, we have identity theft protection, which I'm trying to set up for myself right now. I got to go in and enter some pertinent information so they can grab my records and be able to track all of my important things in my life, financial things and whatever, you know what I'm saying? And watch over me and my family. You can put up to 3 computers. You can add up to 3 computers to the identity theft software, okay? They have a keylogging software in there. And basically what that is when you're on your computer, everything that you type is encrypted and sent to your browser, okay? And that works on previous keyloggers that are already on your computer and future keyloggers that try to break in and try to see what you're typing, try to get your password, and then therefore eventually try to steal your identity, okay? And that's why you have the identity theft protection, okay? But the keylogging software, I've been having an issue with mine. Basically, there's something wrong with my number or whatever, but that's just a matter of a phone call. You have fantastic customer support with myEcon. All you got to do is call. You can send an email. Somebody will get with you promptly. Also, myEcon, talking about customer support. Our team, Team Good Life, okay? Team Good Life, myEcon takeover team. Excellent customer service. We have some of the biggest 6 and 7 figure earners on our team, okay? Very knowledgeable, and they're handing out free training, man. They're giving away nuggets, man. They're just reaching in their pockets and just sprinkling us with golden nuggets, okay, all day, not charging us a dime, man. Team Good Life. We also have training and fantastic customer support. Still the same 6 leaders that you had before in Team Good Life MCA, okay? All starting with Eric Johnson, who's our leader and creator of Team Good Life, myself, Mark Rashad. You have Brandon Fields, you have Darrell Daniels, you have Todd Archer, you have, who else we got? Jason Wyatt Pro. Can't forget about my man Jason. He's kind of by state. He bounces back and forth between Dallas and Atlanta. You know, that's big time right there. You know, moving around like that. You know, I had to save up about 2-week vacation. I can't go back and forth like that. I think he got a private jet. I might need to check with him, you know. I think he's hoarding the money, man. You know, but like I said, Team Good Life. We don't leave anybody behind. Great customer support, okay? Also, in the back of myEcon, to get back to that, you have a CashBack Mall. You shop online anyway. You shop at Walmart. You shop at Kmart. You shop at wherever, Bass Pro Shop, wherever, you know what I'm saying? you can shop inside your own personal mall, but here's the kicker. You can earn cash back, okay? And it tells you how much cash back you earn at each store that you go to, okay? And for the products that you buy, and you can earn commissions. Just another stream of income, you know, on top of all the other money you can make inside of myEcon, okay? But this is not really about the money, okay? That's the cherry on top. I'm gonna get to that in a minute, okay? The services. You also have a cash flow manager in the back, which allows you to manage budgets for your business as well as your personal life, okay? In using that cash flow manager to manage your business, you're able to keep track of the things that you can deduct against your business income, therefore lowering your taxes, okay? Helps you to keep that organized. You can take pictures of the receipts, store the receipts, you can backdate things, you can add descriptions and what have you, okay? So at the end of the year, when you get ready to file your taxes, they're all organized. You can print that out, take it to your bookkeeper, to your accountant, you know, whatever, you know, level you're on, or you can do it yourself if you do your own taxes, okay? But you'll be organized, okay? Your business will be organized, your personal finances will be organized. And on top of that, when you're using the cash flow manager, it makes suggestions to you about things that you could correct, how you can put more money back in your house, how you can get rid of certain expenses, how you can generate more income, okay? And we're gonna get to that in a minute, okay? That's basically it. You can also get discounted travel in your back office, okay? Now, all this stuff that I've talked about, okay, including the business opportunity, you're also gonna learn some wealth building strategies as well, okay? On top of it, here's the really nice part right here. You work a job, okay? You work a job. One of the first things you're gonna learn when you come into myEcon, and one of the biggest things that they teach in myEcon are tax strategies, okay? And basically with those tax strategies, first thing you're gonna learn how to do is you're gonna learn how to put anywhere from $200 to $700 back into your pocket on your job, okay? Depending on your situation, okay? 85% of people in America pay too much money in taxes. That's why everybody waits for a refund, okay? Well, with these tax strategies, what we're gonna do with myEcon is we're gonna show you how to get your refund during the year, how to put more money back in your pocket during the year, therefore giving yourself a raise without asking permission from your boss, and at the same time, being able to pay the taxes that you owe, okay? Now, with that being said, with you being able to put more money back in your pocket with this tax strategy or these tax strategies, you're able to pay down some of your debt, okay? And they teach you a calculated way for you to pay down your debt once you put more money back in your pocket on your job, okay? Therefore, putting more money back in your pocket, okay? You're getting, you're gonna pay $35 to fix your credit, okay? Which is gonna put more money in your pocket. You're gonna go get yourself a pay raise on your job, which is gonna put more money in your pocket so you can pay down your debts, okay? Which is gonna put even more money in your pocket, okay? Which is crazy, all right? Then what they're gonna do is they're gonna show you how to generate a business income by referring myEcon to other people or showing other people how to fix their credit as well and fix their personal finances, okay? Now, with myEcon, okay? Of course, with any other network marketing platform, there are levels, okay? Well, these levels are easy to achieve in myEcon. To be able to earn 100% commissions and $25 residuals for every person that's up under you to infinity, all you have to do is get 2 people. Refer 2 people and become EVP, Executive Vice President, okay? After that, man, that's when the magic starts. Let me tell you, man, the money will start to grow so fast the more people that you tell about this service and this platform to help them get their finances, to help them get their finances in order, to be able to help their family, about the tools in the back office to help them protect their family. Everybody needs it. Like I said, you're in myEcon, but you don't even know it, okay? Like I said, all you guys in MCA, this is the next wave, okay? The 2 companies don't compare. And there are a lot of people, I can just say at the end of the day, they're not doing MCA anymore. I mean, like I said, you don't have to quit MCA and you can continue to do it, but the consensus over on this side of the line is that it's a waste of time. And we're gonna roll out with this new opportunity. Like I said, it's growing like wildfire. Man, I think I went to bed somewhere between 2 and 2:30 or something this morning or something like that, because I was on the phone. I think I even accidentally recorded myself on the phone. Thankfully, I was in one of our group beta video testing chat rooms or groups, I should say, because I looked up and I didn't stop the video, and it caught me on the phone with a prospect. Okay, hopefully I closed that prospect. You know, that's my man down there in Arkansas. I hope you're watching, my man. Let's get this money, man. I got you. Yeah, myEcon, man, the business opportunity. All you gotta do is tell somebody about it. That's what you're doing in MCA. All you gotta do is tell somebody about it and let them see the value in it. Doing the same thing that you're doing in MCA, and you're gonna give them a great deal more value by helping them fix their personal finances as opposed to offering them some toe service. Okay, which, like I said again, we already have a component like that inside, and you can choose to have that if you want to or not. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, but they're going to get a lot more value from this opportunity than they will from MCA. I think towing a car is just fine, but you know, I don't really need 100 miles of towing. You know what I'm saying? Unlimited miles of towing. You know what I'm saying? And it's just really unnecessary to waste time at $35 an hour, man. And you don't get residual income unless you have a large list. Okay, and that's the only way you're going to be able to even possibly even get anywhere near making $1,000 a week. But with myEcon, you can make $1,000 a week very easily, and you get money from multiple levels. Just the income shifting membership itself alone shows you 5 income streams. Okay, and that's just the income shifting membership. Now, all of this that I've talked about, everybody wants to know how much it costs. Well, it also costs $35. Okay, it costs $35. It costs $35 to start up. It costs $35 a month, and you have full access and get walk hand in hand through the process of putting more money back in your pocket on your job with the tax strategies that they offer. You get walk hand in hand through the credit restoration software, 22 videos, over 2 hours of training, showing you how to build your credit back up to possibly a 750 plus credit score within the next 60 to 90 days. Okay, you have identity theft protection, which is a click of a button to set up, put in a couple of lines of information, and your whole family's protected. You can put it on at least three computers. Okay, you have the Keylogging software, encrypts everything that you type on the computer, keep your information from being stolen, therefore leading to somebody stealing your identity. Okay, but you do have a backstop with the identity theft protection software. You have a CashBack Mall that you can make purchases in, your everyday purchases in, the places you already shop, therefore being able to earn rebates and commissions, you know, and get money back. Another stream of income, 2 more streams of income. That's 7 right there. Okay, and I haven't even touched the surface yet. You have nutritional products. You can sell each one of those particular services, the credit restoration service, the Keylogging software, the legal services. Like I said, we have nutritional products. We have roadside assistance in the back. You can sell all those things individually if you choose to, okay, generating even more streams of income. You can also sell the CashBack Mall. You sell memberships, okay, to the CashBack Mall. That's another stream of income, okay? And you get all of this for $34.95 a month. $34.95 a month. Would you rather go to somebody and pay them hundreds or thousands of dollars to take months or years to fix your finances, or would you rather pay $34.95 a month to be able to do it yourself, possibly make a lot of money by telling other people about it because they need it too? Like I said, you're in myEcon and you don't even know it.